Everything you wish to know about the Audi RS3 2022 sedan. Now, with the 2022 RS3, Audi is coming back stronger and greener to tickle your senses. The 2022 model year is built upon the third-gen Audi A3 and so gets the newest design language that adds more aggression and sophistication to the package. 1 second, before we start the video, kindly subscribe to this channel. That will motivate us to make more videos like this. Your support is very important for us. Only, you can help us to reach the next milestone. Now, let's get started. The 2022 Audi RS3 sedan is the car to get if you are constantly juggling between being a family guy and a child at heart. Number 1. Audi RS3 2022 sedan is loaded with 5-cylinder with 401 HP. One of the major highlights of the Audi RS3 lineup has been its angry-sounding engine. It uses a 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-5 motor that has a deep historical background, going all the way to Audi's legendary Group B rallying days. The past derivatives of this motor have earned the International Engine of the Year award 9 times in a row since 2010. The RS3 sedan packs the most powerful iteration of the engine with 401 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, 7 horsepower and 15 lb-ft more than its predecessor. It uses a slick 7-speed twin-clutch automatic gearbox that sends power to all 4 wheels. The result of all this brawn is a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.6 seconds and a top speed of up to 180 miles per hour with a few clever RS add-on bits. Number 2. The whole new level driving experience. The engine and exhaust are just half of the magical formula that makes this the coolest compact sedan out there. Audi has put down immense effort to elevate the 2022 RS3 sedan's driving experience. A major contributor is the RS torque splitter, which is a rear-axle differential unit that gets an electronically controlled multiplayer clutch on each drive shaft. In other words, the rear wheels can be powered independently, which results in insane stability and agility on fast cornering and wet surface driving. Then there are the various drive modes that include Comfort, Auto, Dynamic, RS Torque Rear, and RS Performance. These modes not only change the engine mapping but also tweaks other bits like the steering and acceleration feedback, suspension settings, and of course, the famous torque split. Talking of suspension, the 2022 RS3 sedan gets RS Sport suspension plus as standard with dynamic chassis control, and sits 0.98 inches lower than the standard Audi A3. The steel brakes used here are also bigger and better with 20% more cooling than the first-gen RS3. It gets a 6-piston caliper on 14.8-inch front discs and a single-piston caliper on 12.2-inch rear discs. Audi also offers an optional ceramic brake kit with 15-inch front discs that can reduce the overall weight by 22 pounds. Number 3. 2022 Audi RS3 exterior looks mean in green. The 2022 Audi RS3 is based on the latest gen Audi A3 design, which adds more aggression to the character. This machine is so aggressive that Audi had to give it wider tires in the front to combat oversteer. But guess what? This bad boy still loves to slide. As for the looks, it's downright sinister. The front gets an aggressive new RS bumper with a redesigned single-frame honeycomb grille. The front flared wheel arches also get a functional side air outlet just like Audi's rally machines. The rear gets a neat blacked-out lip spoiler and an RS-specific bumper with a built-in diffuser. The lighting duties are shared with the A3's matrix design LED headlamps and LED taillights. Audi offered 8 vibrant colors for the 2022 RS3, but our favorite is the Kyalami green shown in these images. Also, the standard 19-inch cast aluminum wheels with a 10Y spoke design looks rad on this mean machine. Audi also offers Pirelli P0 Trofeo or Motorsport tires as an option. Number 4. 2022 Audi RS3 interior looks luxurious, fighter jet vibes. The interior is mostly shared with the A3 but with added motorsport desirability. The 2022 RS3 gets a new instrument cluster theme on the 12.3-inch Audi virtual cockpit, called the RS Runway, and it looks like an airplane display. It also includes additional infographics like G-forces, lap timings, and acceleration and quarter-mile data. The cabin has loads of RS badges embedded, along with an RS-specific honeycomb stitching for those cool-looking sports seats. But the icing on this cake is the RS design package that adds cool green elements across the cabin. Pricing and availability of Audi RS3. The 2022 Audi RS3 starts with an MSRP of $58,900 and will be on sale before the end of summer 2022. We don't think that there is a better package to pump up adrenaline without annoying your significant other. What do you think about this? Let me know this by commenting below. I would love to see them. I can go through your comments and share my feedback. Thanks for watching this video completely. Kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Thanks again, have a great day.